Hey guys, Mike here at Musk Agency. Today I would like to share with you a template that you should be using to send to your customers to leave you better reviews. I'm going to show you the structure. It's going to take 1 second. Check this out. Okay guys, so I have the template pulled up here, and this is going to be a very great way for you to utilize Google reviews. And I'm going to show you how to get the link to send to your customers as well. But for now, this is the kind of structure that you want to set it up as, okay? So the template I'm using is, I was searching for a company to do my search engine optimization in Tampa, Florida. I found Musk Agency. I was interested in SEO and web design. Everyone on their staff was really nice and made me feel very comfortable. I would highly recommend Michael and his team for anyone who seeks to rank their business in the Google 3-back. Okay? So, what this is telling Google, right? When people write this review, it's telling Google that I have a search engine optimization company, right? And this is what the customer was searching for. It tells Google where I'm located, Tampa, Florida. All right, the name of my agency. It helps to see that leaving the 5-star review. Everyone on their staff was really nice and made me feel very comfortable. It's very important that Google picks up on that as well. Okay? So, guys, use this template, send this out to your customers, and I'll show you an easy way to do that. So, you can keep it in your notepad. That's what I do. I'm going to just go into Google here. Google My Business. Alright, and right here is where you can find, here we go, right here. So this is your review form, and you're just going to copy and paste this URL or link, and you're just going to send it to your customers. You can send it through via Facebook, you can send it through via text message, and then you just want to also send over the template just to show them how to structure the review, and this will help you rank a lot faster in Google. So guys, I hope you found this video useful. This is Mike at Musk Agency. Remember that we're in this together, and we'll see you soon.